Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest drone regulations for 2024. Stay tuned so you don't get grounded. First up, remote ID is a biggie. If your drone weighs more than 0.55 pounds or 250 grams, it's got to have remote ID. This nifty feature broadcasts your drone's location and ID. It's now the law in the US and integrated into Europe's airspace regs for commercial operations. Next, drone delivery is taking off literally. The FAA has new BVLOS guidelines to keep things safe in the sky. The UK is also running trials for urban deliveries. Can you imagine your groceries flying to your door? Amazing. Privacy is another hot topic. In the EU, the GDPR requires consent before capturing personal data with your drone. In the US, states like California and Texas have their own privacy laws. Remember, no spying on your neighbors. Urban air mobility is gearing up too. The FAA has set up a special office just for UAM regulations. In Europe, EASA is developing a harmonized framework. Companies like eHang and Volocopter are leading the charge. Geofencing is also expanding. DJI drones already have this tech, and more manufacturers are coming on board. It's all about keeping our skies safe and sound. Insurance is a must-have for commercial operators. In the UK, you need at least £1 million in coverage. The US also requires proof of insurance for commercial use. Better safe than sorry, right? Lastly, the ICAO's Drone Enable initiative aims to create standardized global drone regulations. It's all about making the skies friendlier and safer for everyone. That's a wrap for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more drone updates. Fly safe, folks.